Good morning to all. I am Subramaniam, working as assistant professor in automobile department at SNS College of Technology. Now we are seeing about the types of weldings. In this session, we see about the one of the advanced welding system, that is the ultrasonic welding in the modern manufacturing. Usually, welding is used to join the two materials, maybe of similar materials or different materials, by melting the parent metal. But here we are using the only sound to join the both metals. So ultrasonic welding is highly advanced and efficient technique that plays a significant role in modern manufacturing. It is a solid state welding process that uses high frequency ultrasonic vibrations to join the materials. Typically, thermoplastics of thin metals without the need of the additional materials like adhesives or fasteners. It is a solid state welding process that uses high frequency of the ultrasonic vibrations to join the materials. Typically, thermoplastics or thin metals without the need for the additional materials like adhesives or fasteners. This process is widely used in industries such as automotive, electronics, medical devices, and packaging due to its speed, precision, and ability to create strong, reliable bonds. The ultrasonic welding process involves the application of high frequency, typically 20 to 40 kHz, mechanical vibrations to the materials being joined. These vibrations are directed through a horn onto the surfaces of the parts, generating frictional heat at the interface. This localized heat softens the material, allowing it to bond under pressure. Once the vibrations stop, the material cools and solidifies, forming a strong weld. One of the main advantages of the ultrasonic welding is its speed. The process can be completed in a matter of seconds, making it a deal for the high volume production environments. This speed is especially beneficial in industries like automotive and electronics, where components need to be assembled quickly and efficiently. The absence of adhesive or additional fastening materials also reduces production cost and eliminates the need for curing or drying times. Ultrasonic welding is also highly precise, making it an excellent choice for the delicate or intricate applications. In electronic manufacturing, for example, it is used to weld small sensitive components without damaging them. Similarly, in the medical industry, ultrasonic welding is often employed to produce disposable medical devices, ensuring strong sterile bonds without the risk of the contamination from the other materials. Furthermore, ultrasonic welding is an environmentally friendly process. It produces no fumes, emissions, or hazardous waste and requires significantly less energy compared to traditional working methods. This makes it a sustainable choice for the manufacturers looking to reduce their environmental footprint. In the conclusion, ultrasonic welding is a critical technology in modern manufacturing, offering speed, precision, cost efficiency, and environmental benefits across the range of industries. And in this one we see about the ultrasonic welding. Thank you for watching it. Next we see about the another type of welding.